We're quickly going to go ahead and review the three main cloud storage systems: Google Drive, the newcomer, and Dropbox and sugarsync. These are the biggest companies. There are of course others out there, but these are the most common and biggest ones. So I'm going to go ahead and review them and even choose the one that I use. I'll just go ahead and first look at prices. So Google Drive, which is a newcomer, offers you 5 GB free when you join. Dropbox offers you 2 GB, and I think sugarsync offers you 5 GB as well. So both sugarsync and Google Drive offer you more for free. So you can share files between friends and family, through photos, some documents, and so on. And when you've used your space, you can upgrade. So let's go ahead and look at the actual upgrade plans. To get 25 GB with Google Drive, you've paid $2.49 a year, which I think works out to be about £29.88. Yep. And then you got there $4.99 a month for 100 GB, and both of these plans you can use with Google's Picasa, and they also add 30 GB to your Google or Gmail storage. I'm running one of the L plans, which I bought for my Google account or Gmail, which was $5 a year with 20 GB. These plans don't exist anymore, so you will have to use the new plans. And then if you need more storage with Google Drive, you can upgrade to 200 GB for $9.99. Then you're going up to terabytes of storage, which will probably be for large companies who want to get a large amount of storage. And Dropbox, you pay $99 a year, or $9.99 for a month. I think you may get a discount by paying yearly. Yep, so you get a small discount by paying yearly. And then they got a gigabyte, or 1 terabyte should I say, for $19.99 a month, or $199. Or should I say, I mean 100 gigabytes. And then they got their team, which is 1 terabyte plus. So outright, Google offers you a few more solutions, but I think you can talk to Dropbox, and they will organise some sort of deal if you're outgrowing some of the plans, don't quite want 1 terabyte, and so on. sugarsync offers a few plans. You get 30 GB for $49 a year. You save a little bit of money by paying for the plan up front yearly. So that's sugarsync prices. Google Drive does offer more out of the box in solutions, but you can talk to both Dropbox and sugarsync when you outgo these plans to get a custom plan which suits you. But both Google Drive and Dropbox make a particular folder on the computer which you can drag and drop files into, which you have to put them files in that particular folder for it to work with sharing files around. But sugarsync works slightly different to that. sugarsync's more of a whole backup solution and makes it easy to share files. You can also stream music from sugarsync, which I don't think you can do in Dropbox and Google Drive. sugarsync gives you this little file manager, or this little piece of software, and it's also available on more platforms, and both Dropbox and Google Drive. It's also available on Symbian Mobile and Blackberries, and I think Windows Mobile support will be around, and they're both available for Android and iOS. Google Drive right now is only available for Android, with an iPhone version coming out soon. Let's go ahead and open up the sugarsync file manager. So if you have more than one device connected, you can quickly get all the files from each device. But what's great about sugarsync is you can set up a work computer or a home computer and sync files only from your home computer that are only available on your home computer and vice versa, but you can still go in here and get all of the files you need from each computer if you found something you needed. One great feature with sugarsync is the web drive. These are files you can drop in that particular folder, which will let you basically only store them files on sugarsync and not on your actual computer. This can be great for files you want to store on the move or backup but don't want to necessarily have on your computer, or you want to stick in an external hard drive and get quick access to it on your sugarsync account. I use this for some of the larger files and backups I don't necessarily need right on my computer, which is a great service which both Google Drive and Dropbox don't let you do. Both, and sugarsync also has a good way to manage the files. You can share any particular file on your computer with anyone you wish, from the map without moving the file in a different location. Whereas with with Google Drive and Dropbox, you need that one. Put them in that one place. So sugarsync is a great alternative for that, so you don't have to worry about where you store the files. Also, there's a bit more developer support with sugarsync. Like my websites get backed up where sugarsync, where API is released. But they're the alternatives. I would recommend sugarsync. They're all free to start with, so why don't you give them all a try and see which you think's best. I'll put links below in the video where you can find more information about this on my blog, and also give you links there for all of the services. But my choice is sugarsync, and you'll can see why once you download sugarsync yourself, and how much more easier it is with not having to move files around your computer. Hope you found this video useful. You can typically find us talking tech 24/7, 7 days a week at mdrtech.co.uk/blog. Don't forget to comment and rate and subscribe to this video. Links are below to follow me on Google+ and Twitter. Until next time.